That's the very moment when I have to say to myself, calm down, Phil. It's an exciting morning. We're going to be moving this shed. We've done clearance. The shed's going to go over that side. We've got some branches to lop off of this tree. Open them wide and that starts the ratchet. The technique is to chop them up small, straight into the bin, therefore you're not creating a second pile, therefore making the job 3 times as well. So that's the pre-locked branches out the way. It's now Operation Shadow Move Over. Bars to roll it on. See how we go.
There's a load of soil that was down.
The middle with that one. Get this one to the middle so it's springing up. There we go. A lovely feeling to have the shed rolling on the poles.
We need to run tests still, don't we?
Hey! Previous shed base, which we can work with by bringing the level up to the top of those bearers, slabbing between the bearers, make sure it's all compact, because this is where the garden office is going to be, the whole area. Shed's perfect now where it is. Tickety boo. Maintaining that calm is hard for me. Yeah, that sort of that excitement kicks in, and I guess the adrenaline. Then the chain comes off this, and because I've got to faff around and pause to sort that, that's the very moment when I have to say to myself, calm down, Phil. Yeah, because I get this exasperation sort of thing. Let me know in the comments if that happens to you. I believe it's part of the ADHD. We've moved the shed over here. What we now have is the original slab base. And I've dug out this area here. It's quite a lot of soil. And I've started to mound up that border. Now the thing is, this original base, and that's probably quite a good angle, you can see that the slabs aren't level. And what we've got to have is a completely level base. So I'm going to take up all of these slabs, all of this brick edging. We want the steps to be the same. I'm going to try and use this original brick edging to come down this part here, because obviously it's going to be a bigger base. Now the company that they were getting the garden sort of studio building from, they did offer to do a dig out service. Now what I'm going to say is this, I kind of see myself as a sort of semi-retired landscape gardener, and I see myself, and I guess it's part of my love language, which is acts of service. I kind of like the fact that I can probably achieve this a lot cheaper for the customer, as opposed to them getting the garden building company or you know, whoever else to do this base for them. It is going to be a challenge, but preparation is everything.